Choosing between Directus and WordPress in a headless CMS context in 2026 comes down to a question of architectural preference. Both CMS have strong APIs, but there's a fundamental difference in what purpose they serve. For architecture choice, Directus is a contemporary headless CMS with a database first approach. Directus operates on the foundation of your current SQL database, such as PostgreSQL or MySQL. The system gives you immediate access to REST and GraphQL APIs without affecting the structure of your current database. What's more, it features a visual content management tool, a permission control framework based on policies, and automated workflows. Directus is highly invested in the development of AI in 2026 as well and supports Model Context Protocol and an AI assistant that will help in modeling and producing content. WordPress, on the other hand, started out as a monolithic CMS but has improved its headless functionalities significantly since then. While still maintaining the option of using a couple front end, WordPress features a reliable headless CMS API with the WP REST API and the WP GraphQL plugin. The biggest advantage of WordPress is the sheer number of its plugins and the user-friendly Gutenberg editor. So, which one to pick? Directus should be favored when you're looking for a system that is developed for headless right out of the box. It is a fully separated backend system, allowing complete freedom in setting up your site's content structure and data delivery to websites, mobile applications, and IoT. This approach gives it an upper hand when building custom software solutions and scaling up for several channels. However, when it comes to fast time to market and SEO capabilities, WordPress will always have an undeniable lead over the other system. Having one of the most developed communities with ready-made SEO solutions, forms management, and e-commerce tools make it easier to create some quick content-driven projects without wasting time. In case of headless WordPress, however, you may need extra plugins for managing your API performance. So, which one wins then? Directus comes out on top when it comes to creating cutting-edge headless solutions today. In contrast to WordPress, it was designed specifically with headless architecture in mind and grants greater developer freedom. If your requirements involve easy implementation and well-known tools like plugins, then choose WordPress.